We have arrived to Santo Stefano Di Sessanio, medieval town, can't say that. And getting the luggages, they're collecting the luggages, and the luggages will be delivered to our rooms, and we're gonna have a fantastic time here in this ancient town. What do you want to say?
We sure are.
What do you want to say?
It's beautiful. It's always, you go back in time when you come here, you chill out, you learn,
You relax.
and you relax, and it's beautiful.
And we eat too.
And we eat, of course.
Let's discover Santo Stefano.
Village. The origins of this village are from the medieval age, so the end of the 13th century, and is a well-renovated hotel restored as it was more or less 100 years ago.
Queen Julie, so easy for you.
Holding my breath. Put your stomach on the smooth.
Let's see if Susan can do it. Oh yeah, it's easy for you. Oh, okay. Just to breathe, Susan. That was a challenge. Yes, that's a pastore abruzzese. That's a pastore abruzzese dog.
It's not a matter of
Similar, it's a Abruzzo dog. It's my favorite spot of the town. I always love to take photos in this spot. This is a wonderful town. Hello, Jill. So peaceful and ancient. This is called the street under the arch. So cute. Hello. Hello. What's in there, Liz? Oh, that's cute. Buongiorno. Fascinating.
It's amazing how well preserved everything is.
Look at the view that we have from here. We're going to see the restaurant where we have the breakfast room. Would be nice setup here for breakfast.
And all the black you see on the walls are the original signals of the works that was made here.
This is the main piazza of the town, main piazza of Santo Stefano. Good place to hang out. La Casa del Tombolo, which is a specific way of making jewelry. You sew jewelry, you sew them with a metal string. Daulia, her name is Daulia, very unique name. Daulia is showing you how you produce a piece of jewelry from Abruzzo, from here. She's using un filo metallico.
Quello che sto lavorando adesso è lino.
Oh, I can't go anywhere now. Look there. It's a very patient process, you know, when you do this. This is where Lancelot used to go. And he used drinks with his girls, with his girlfriends. So pretty. What is that, Alan? What is it?
I don't know.
It looks nice.
So it's to work the linen. So what they did was it said they used to break it and then work the linen with it. So that was the manual way that they used to get the linen the way that they wanted to.
And here we are in my favorite part of the village. The tea room, but it's the room where we drink alcohol. In there. Oh, welcome to the tea room. Buongiorno.
Coffee.
Here it is.
Rataffiale is a liquor made with the white cherries.
Fresh mint and water for Alan and Jill. Coffee for Andrew. Genziana for Mr. Wolpe. We're setting up the photo. This is where we take group photo. This is the most memorable photo of the week. This is what once upon a time used to be the library. You can still come here and get a book, an old book, and read it. It's nice, huh? From the tea room, we go to the lunch room, which is a medieval ancient pub. Nice and cool. Donatella again. The face behind the Sextantio. Welcome to the lunch room. Oh, so elegant. Ciao, Andrea. This is where we are having the lunch. Cooked by this wonderful family. And his mom and dad are here. They have a nice restaurant right up the stairs. We're serving tiny lentils for lunch. Lentil soup. You must have bread with lentils.
It's wonderful.
This is the moment we've been waiting for. Time for the Chronicon, the king of the wines.
And every place we go, we always have the most perfect food for the terrain, for the town, it's just indigenous to wherever we are. It's a great part of the vacation. So that means everything else, the towns, the history, and the things that you can teach us are even better, and that's the icing on the cake. So
Here's to you guys.
Cheers to that. Salute everyone. Salute. Omelette with local eggs and onions.
Our eggs. This is aubergine grilled with oil and salt.
Cosa abbiamo qui?
This is a little cake salt with potato and cheese.
The moment the Kazakhstani ambassador has been waiting for. The Chronicon time. The big guns came out. We got sausages and lamb. What's there?
We're looking at a very romantic wine cellar.
Oh,
Look at this, it's so medieval.
Yeah.
It's like a
Oh, we also have the big Zaccanini wine.
Together to your rooms.
Hey, so look at the Queen's room. Ooh. The Queen has a balcony again. Ooh. The Queen's balcony. Let's have a look at William's room. Ooh, William. It's a nice room, William.
very nice.
You got the view as well. Yeah.
Check out the bathroom.
So look at the bathroom. Yeah, William. That's a sexy bathroom. Ooh, you have a view. You get to the poo-poo with a view. This is where we're going. We're going up there to Rocca Calascio. Breathe in and just go forward. Oh, yeah. Well done. A round of applause to me. Well done. Yay. Bill, look at the castle. Look at the castle up there. Look, that's where we're going. Look. Where are we, Suzanne? On top of?
the world.
Yay! This is the little village of Rocca Calascio. This is Federico from La Taberna di Rocca Calascio. Ciao Federico. Look what he created. Wow. That's a nice cave. This is like a Parmigiano made out with sheep. Are you ready to experience Rocca Calascio? Let's go. La Taberna di Rocca Calascio. They're gonna be making the food for us tonight. The way to Rocca Calascio is nice. It's a personal walk. You walk your own pace. In the meantime, stop to enjoy the view, like Liz is doing. Liz, you're about to find out why I love this place.
I'll tell you, yes.
Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Listen to the sound of nature. Ooh, we are getting closer.
And look at this, we're saying there's some snow still, aren't we?
Yeah, you can see the snow on the mountain. It's nice and warm today. I need to recharge the wine. I need more wine. Welcome to the top. Welcome to the top. How does it feel like being on top? This is the best part of the day. A great spot. We got the food and the wine served. The musicians are about to start. We have the Rocca over there, the church, and the wonderful view. Alright, the day is finished, sorry.
Oh.
It's the evening, the beginning of the evening.
The beginning of the...
Everyone went down. We are still on top of the mountain.
We're still partying, yeah.
You guys have a good time?
We did,
Yes,
absolutely.
we did.
Everything's done with the view here.
Yeah. The view is important.
Every lunch, every dinner, everything's
Every
with the view.
aperitivo.
Aperitivo, yeah.
It's all
Oh my
done
God.
with wine and happiness.